All right, here we are. Tonight's dinner. Look at this. Yummy. We got chicken stir fry, skinless, boneless chicken strips. Cook them in some olive oil. Put them aside. Then you cut up your peppers. I've got red, orange, and yellow. Dice them up. Throw them in some olive oil with butter. And I got some carrot strips in there. Now for the seasoning, then you throw your chicken in there. Probably about 10 minutes in when it gets a little soft. I use a lid to help steam it quicker. For the seasoning, I got a little salt, a little garlic powder, Italian seasoning, and then we're going to put that over some noodles, spaghetti noodles, and we got baked potatoes on the side. Yep,